Hey everybody, it's raining in Florida. Had a good day, and this is my new apartment. I should show you this earlier, but I haven't. But oh, what is this? This is a ceiling, and I don't know if you can hear it. I hope you can. But the ceiling's right here. I can touch the ceiling. That's cool. Now, if you hear that noise, it's not rats. I think the people upstairs play basketball or something. They do really loud, annoying things up there. And sometimes I just zone out because I can. I'm doing other stuff and everything, but I'm not playing video games. I'm not playing anything. I'm just watching YouTube. And all I hear is back and forth. And I know there's an old lady up there. I know there's like a lady up there. I don't see any kids up there. I don't see any kids come in and out. So I don't know if it's a children and addict thing. I don't know if massive incest are going on up there. I don't know what's going on up there, but just rampant pitter pattering of. What is that noise? It's insane. I don't understand what they could be running to, and like it's not. It's big. For the size that for the amount we play, it is pretty big. I give it that. But what the fuck is going on? You gotta keep running back and forth. It's fucking insane. It's fucking insane. All right. That's enough for our rant. I'm gonna take a shower and get my dreads out. Bye. Peace. Well, it's probably not a great video, but I was bored.